these are 5 things I wish I knew when I was 16. 1. Change is constant. If there's something nga dili gid mawala sa kalibutan, it's gonna be change. So you need to prepare yourself for all of those changes that would happen eventually in your life. 2. Go out more. Ana gyud. Kay wala ka bulo kung katong place nga gusto nimo adtuan or katong place nga sige ka plan nga sige lang next week daw pagka next week wala naman dito gibuto na pagsaka giro plano or whatsoever. So go to where you want to be. Kung mo ba na siya nga grammar ang sakto basta kay adto dito ana ra siya. And then 3, don't be afraid to try, don't be afraid to explore. During that age man good, you'll be much more inclined man good by to peer pressure to peer pressure. Like kanang kung unsa ang uso dito ka padulong, but no, if you feel like if you want to do something and others di nila feel, buhata gyapon, ayaw kahadlok. If you feel like it, do like it. And then 4th, learn more about business. Yeah, in general, like how things work. Okay, dili man to na mo na magud before, kay importante bitaw na. So during that time, if I was 16, I would have learned more good about how things work, how businesses operate, how the government does things. That's number 4. 5, knowing what you know now when you're 16 eventually will change, especially when you grow up and you go 25, 26. Dagan kag view sa una nga dili na nimo view karon, dagan kag opinion sa una nga would change karon, and that's okay. That means you're growing, that means you grew. So dili mo naangay ika-ulaw sa imong self or whatsoever. If naa kay opinions and feelings before nga nasulti nimo when you're 16 and now 25, 26 na ka nag-change, that's okay. That means nag-grow yun ka. So ayaw i-set yourself na kumoto yung mga opinion before, even if like pangit na sa imong pamati karon imo gyapon sundon just because ato. No. So those are 5 things I wish I knew when I was 16. So if you're new here, my name is Tristan. Watch me document my life while I figure it all out. Bites.